turning the letters in the word travel into simple travel icons. We're starting with basic uppercase letters. The R is angled just a little bit. And the T, to turn into a plane, it's a parallel line under the top of the T and a line at the bottom which almost turns into a triangle. I just flattened the sides, and those two sides get narrower as they go to the tail, and make sure that lines up with the body of the plane. I just drew in a dotted line for the path of the plane. The R becomes basically a hoodie or the little jacket the person is wearing, and it's running, so it's actually an R for run as well. So I did stick figure legs, and then I angled them into triangular pieces to be just a little bit thicker. The A turns into a sailboat, so it's basically a triangle for the A, but they're sort of two pieces with the boat underneath where it's angled in one direction where it's traveling to the right. You can put on whatever pattern you want. I drew this pretty small, so I stuck to just stripes and dots. The V becomes a parachuter, so I put his head right in the bottom of the crease of the V, and the arms are actually like V's as well, as he's holding on to the two sides, and you can place the legs however you want. Just gave a little bend to the knees with that same little trick of building them as triangles, and it's an arch right over the head of the parachuter before you do the half circle of the top. And the E, I did turn this one into a suitcase. It's the kind on wheels, and I just added some stickers to it. And then the L is the passport, so it's the basic rectangle with little rectangles for your ticket or your itinerary sticking out of your passport. And the globe on the passport is a circle with then a plus sign in it, and then there's a line above and below the plus sign, and then just the two curved lines. Keep creating your own journey, and happy travels.